This is the Melaseal 100 Plus autoclave pouch heat sealer from Melag. With this machine we can pouch the instruments individually or in multiple units per bag, and there are pouches of 75, 100 or 150mm that can be placed on a dispenser. When you want to autoclave an instrument, you can wind through the bag that you require for the length of instrument that you have, and you can depress the lever when it stops flashing. You can release and you can place in the instrument or instruments into the pouch, reinsert it, and once again seal the pouch. This will then give you your instruments pouched into individual autoclave pouch, which you can place into the autoclave for sterilisation. This thing can be presented for your client, ready for use. You will see here, these bags also allow us to place taller instruments, and once again we can insert, seal, wait for the flashing light to stop, and this also will be sealed, ready for use. To use the autoclave you will need distilled water. This is the Aquastat, a very reliable system, and in here there are three components. There's the water bottle that will gather the distilled water, and in here it's a bit like a kettle. This jug has a cap, and you can use this, you can fill the water in there up to the marker. Make sure you seal the lid tightly, and this piece here will fit into the back of the Aquastat. You place the jug firmly, push, press the button to turn it on, and then the water container can be placed in position. This does take a little time to distill, and basically the water will be turned to steam, and the steam is gathered as distilled water in the jug. This can then be used in the autoclave for the sterilisation process. Once the instruments are pouched, we can move them to the autoclave. This is basically a pressure cooker with a temperature of 134 degrees centigrade under pressure, and it will sterilise the instruments in set programs. So you simply remove the cassette. This cassette is the low profile cassette. You can have an autoclave with a larger cassette if you have taller instruments. These instruments are placed in the cassette, the lid is sealed, reinserted into the autoclave, and when you press the appropriate icon it will proceed with the autoclave procedure. This is a cycle for wrapped instruments, and it will sterilise the instrumentation ready for use on the next client.